I'll tell you what, I need Thanos Infinity Gauntlet gloves, so that way I can just grab the thing. I hope everybody's having a good day so far. Man, just have to make a video because there's about to be some foolishness that's gonna ensue. And I'm dreading it. I am dreading it. You don't understand, man. Something has taken up residence. And now I have to be the one to get rid of it. So what is the thing that has taken up residence that I am going to have to deal with? Oh, I cringe at it. The idea of what I'm going to need to do. So there's a bird. Oh my God, there's a bird that has moved into my house. And he thinks that he's going to be able to live here for the rest of his life. But no, that is not the case. So I got to get rid of him. I've been thinking and trying to figure out how I'm going to get rid of him. I think I got to, oh man, I got to go through the vent. He's sitting right, look, check that out. He's sitting right up there behind this. I'm kind of nervous to even open this up because then if that sucker comes flying in here, then I got to deal with him in here, and I don't want to do that. So we have a vent up here. This is nothing but vent behind these two, and it's to help vent this outward. But some bird has flown in there from the outside because we have little flaps that open up wide. So the birds come in. And he's in there now, man. So I gotta throw on some little thin gloves and try to get him out, man. I'll tell you what, I need Thanos Infinity Gauntlet gloves, so that way I can just grab the thing. I'm gonna try to be as humane as possible, but I make no guarantees. I gotta psych myself up. I got the tools already. Check that out. I got some foil tape to repatch up some things. I got wire cutters because I'm gonna be putting this chicken wire down or whatever so that it won't nothing else to be able to get in here. So I'm ready, but I'm physically ready, but oh man, I gotta psych myself up. I need some hype music. Cue the hype music.
Yeah, woke up this morning. Yeah. Like, man, I'm feeling so blessed. Like, man. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, I woke up this morning. Hopped out of bed like, man, I'm feeling so blessed. I woke up this morning. Yeah, didn't have a lot, but man, I could've had less. I'm about to spaz on them. Yeah, got me so good, I gotta brag on them. And I'm going back.
See, he knew what today was. He knew this was the day. He was like, no, you're not gonna get me. So.
Cause got me so good, I gotta brag on them. Yeah.
My mama look at me, now I'm blessed. That daddy look at me, now I'm blessed. Grandmama know you're looking down on me. Your grandson made it out them projects. Mama always told me, listen up, baby boy. Jesus Christ made you special, you're a vessel, baby boy. With the devil, flesh and blood, we never wrestle, baby boy. And now you're walking with the Lord, he gon' bless you, baby boy.
Yeah, I'm from the hood, had to get it from the mud. Started from the bottom, that's on everything I. I mean something different saying covered by the blood. Well taken care of. And I ain't had to do a jug. Am I?
Yeah, I woke up this morning. Hopped out of bed like, man, I'm feeling so blessed. I woke up this morning.
I'm alive. So many times to die, I'm alive. Ooh. I just be coolin' with my bride, feet up while we chillin' in Dubai. Jay-Z on our side. Bust down, bust down. I grew up ducking buckshots. Thank the Lord, I ain't never took a mug shot. We ain't had much, like I'm taking butt shots. Slow start, but we took.
All right, well, you saw it ended up being kind of anticlimactic, so the bird wasn't there at the time. Lucky for him, because I would have messed him up. But anyways, we're just gonna, you still got to see me patch up the hole anyway. So all I'm gonna do now is repair this mess. All the little leaves and stuff that thing was trying to bring in. Man, no respect for other people's personal space. But clean it up, do my thing, tape everything off, and go about my day. But as for you all, have a good day.